Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine air filter on an Infiniti QX50. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. You will need a new engine air filter, which is readily available, and potentially a 10mm socket, though often only clips secure the housing. Let's get started with the process. First, open your Infiniti QX50 hood and find the engine air filter housing, typically a black box on the side of the engine. Next, unfasten the 2 to 4 metal clips holding the airbox cover in place. Once the clips are released, gently lift the cover. You can then easily pull out the old, often very dirty, air filter. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to wipe away any leaves or debris from inside the air filter housing. Now, carefully place your new engine air filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly and the tab, if present, is oriented correctly. Finally, lower the airbox cover back into place, ensuring a proper seal, and securely fasten all 2 to 4 clips. After installation, double-check that all the clips are securely fastened and the airbox cover forms a tight seal. A fresh engine air filter allows your engine to breathe better, leading to improved performance and better fuel efficiency. It is recommended to replace this filter every 20,000 to 30,000 miles or more frequently if you drive in dusty conditions. This simple task keeps your QX50 running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.